The term environmental degradation describes how the air, water, soil, and ecosystems in an environment are deteriorating. The decline is a result of human activities like industrial practices, deforestation, and pollution. The ensuing harm endangers human safety, destroys biodiversity, and upsets ecosystems. In order to maintain Earth's delicate balance and promote sustainable development, environmental degradation must be addressed. One well-known instance of environment degradation is deforestation. It entails the extensive clearing of forests, which results in the loss of habitat, the disturbance of ecosystems, and the decrease in biodiversity. This process exacerbates global warming by releasing stored carbon into the atmosphere, causing local climate patterns to change, and causing soil erosion. The ramifications of deforestation underscores the interdependence of environmental elements and the pressing necessity of tackling human actions that deteriorate crucial ecosystems. Next.
Climate change refers to long-term alterations in the Earth's climate, encompassing changes in temperature, precipitation patterns, wind, and other atmospheric conditions. It includes both natural variations and recent anthropogenic influences, primarily characterized by global warming and its associated impacts. Causes of climate change are human activities that are natural processes contribute to climate change. The primary human-induced factor is the release of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. The main causes include burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, industrial processes, agricultural processes, land use changes. Next.
Why is environment preservation and climate change mitigation important? First, for biodiversity conservation, preservation of the biodiversity of the environment helps maintain the health of such. Second, human health. Climate change could also indicate that the environment is also in a state of increased levels of degradation, and such could lead to the emergence of environmental diseases. Third, resource availability. Environmental preservation ensures the sustainability of clean air, water, and soil for current and future generations. Fourth, climate stability. Mitigating climate change is crucial for maintaining stable and predictable weather patterns. Unexpected miscalculations of current sea levels and weather patterns could bring potential human casualties and severe damage to other people. And for the fifth one is long-term sustainability. Scarcity of food, non-consumable water, and unbreathable air shall be ensured if the current generation fails to preserve the ecosystem. All of us are responsible for such, and if we continue to degrade the environment with our actions, such will probably occur. Next.
What is the Philippines' current action towards environment preservation and climate change mitigation? The Philippines has relatively recently imposed laws such as the Arbor Day Act, Clean Air Act, and National Environmental Awareness and Education Act to combat the negative impact received by the environment due to various causes such as industrialization, pollution, and housing development. Most importantly, the Philippines has also implemented the NCCAP, or the National Climate Change Action Plan, which laid out the country's plans regarding climate change and environmental restoration in the following years. Next.
What further action should the Philippines commit to for environment preservation and climate change mitigation? First is stricter environmental regulations. Regulations against illegal lumber harvesting, pagkakaingin for farms, and exploitative mining shall be further enforced. Two, protection of marine ecosystems. Marine life has been devastated by the degradation occurring on the planet. Therefore, rehabilitation of marine areas shall also be pursued. Three, commitment to renewable energy transition. Solar, wind, and geothermal power shall be the primary energy source, given our geographical advantage, large land area, and accessibility of such resources and fuel. And four, responsible waste management. Waste disposal and segregation shall be made prominent in the country. The Philippine government shall also seize the importation of foreign waste as extra national revenue. And fifth, international partnership. The country must admit to its lagging technological advancement and follow in the footsteps of more advanced countries by asking for their assistance and investment and adapting to their technologies.